It's 3 a.m. Hey guys, we are heading to Ubud today. We're gonna do a full Instagram tour of Ubud. As you know, or maybe those that don't know, Ubud is the cultural neighborhood of Bali. It's got a lot of its rice terraces, its temples, Hindu temples. So stay tuned. We're hoping to get to Ubud around 4 or 5 a.m. But yeah, it's a very early morning start for us right now. It's 3 a.m. We want to give you guys and show you guys around Ubud today. So I hope you enjoy today's video. I'll see you in Ubud.
For you, or you need to? No, that's fine. That's fine.
Unless I go, we go both go play.
Where's what? Good. Thank you.
Pagi Mbak. Alright guys, so we got to Lempuyang Temple, which is the gateway of heaven. We're currently waiting for our spot to get our photos taken. Here we go, we're 33rd. So we're still waiting, but hopefully we'll get a good shot. Yeah, this is a very traditional Balinese outfit check. Jimmy.
Outfit check. Amazon sandals, temple, Majuri. This is the final look.
Okay, so we are at the second spot of our tour. This is a water temple.
And the weather's perfect
The weather is perfect.
for what we're doing, the Instagram tour.
Oh yeah, this is an Instagram tour. We're getting a lot of good photos, huh?
Yeah, it's probably one of my favorite days. Because
And also here, this place is not really huge, just around 2.5 hectares totally. It's not big.
Okay.
So until right there, the tree, right there, here, and that side. Because this is the place, Tirta, Gangga. So Tirta, that means the holy water. And Gangga, that is the name of the god, especially for Hinduism in India. So they just mix Hindu Balinese and Hindu in India. And also this waterfalls, they built around 1948. So I'm not good on math, so wait a second. 76 years ago. From what the name, King of the Karangasem, and also his name is Anak Agung Anglungrah Ketut Karangasem. It was really long name.
yeah.
And also, this place have been broke because Mount Agung was erupted in 1963, and then they rebuilt again after 3 years eruption.
right now we are just enjoying a brisk short walk. Not really brisk, we're sweating. The sun is definitely out. But we are in Tirta Gangga, which is a water garden of the gods in the Hindu religion. As you may not know, or you may know, Bali is predominantly Hindu despite Indonesia being a predominantly Muslim country. But yeah, we've really enjoyed all of our shoots today. It helps that our tour guide knows exactly what he's doing. I mean, he's taking all different types of angles, things that I wouldn't even think about. So definitely a professional at his job.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mas Dedi.
Banyak bagus.
Banyak bagus, sangat bagus.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're gonna try to cool off and then head to our next spot. See you guys there. Hey, where are we going?
To a waterfall. I'm definitely not swimming, but
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
yeah, we're definitely chasing it. This is pretty. This is really cool.
I've changed my character. I am now channeling my inner Tarzan. We've got Jane in the back. We're about to rope swing, not rope swing, branch swing some trees. We are heading to the waterfall right now.
What is branch?
It's about a 300-meter like branch. You know how Tarzan like yeah, like Spider-Man but in the jungle.
Ready for it.
So yeah, we're approaching the waterfall right now. So we're about to take a dip and enjoy. Okay, here we go. Out of 10. We just dipped into the waterfall, took our photos, and it came out amazing. And the water feels so fresh.
Yeah. Especially with the sun out.
The sun out.
Came on the perfect day.
Oh.
And we took so many photos.
So many photos. Made was scared to dip in a little bit, but with a little nudge, she got in. Yeah, it was amazing. 10 out of 10. Honestly, this waterfall is also not that tapped yet, where you can still see a good chunk of its nature or core of its nature. Yeah. Not like the other ones that are maybe more of a tourist trap, I'd say. So this is a great waterfall choice. It's called Goa Raja, which translates to King Cave in Indonesian. So I'd highly recommend check this out if you ever make it out to Bali and in the Ubud area. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy a little bit of the sun while we dry off, and then we're off to our next spot. See you later. Where are we right now?
Restaurant. What is it?
Waroeng
Yeah.
D'Yoni.
What does that mean?
It's like a D'Yoni restaurant.
We'll see how it is. I'm so hungry. We woke up at like 3. So this should be good.
This is called like a lesehan.
I love it.
Say it, babe.
Lesehan. Saya
Makan
makan
di
di
lesehan.
lesehan. Yeah. Minum air.
We just ordered our food. We got some drinks, some fresh drinks. We ordered some fresh fruit salad. Made ordered a nasi goreng and a mie goreng because she couldn't decide. But really, I'll finish whatever she doesn't want. And I also ordered some chicken satay. So
I think you mean sate ayam.
I think so too. Alright guys, so over here I have my sate ayam, chicken satay. So the skewers right there, rice, vegetables, and then over here is the mie goreng with tempeh, tahu, which is tofu, vegetables, sambal, which is spicy sauce, kerupuk, which is like crackers. Mie goreng is essentially fried noodles, and nasi goreng is pretty much the fried rice. So same layout with the tempeh, tofu, vegetables, sambal, and then crackers there. So we're gonna go eat, and yeah, we'll let you know how it is. Lunch was delicious.
So good. Definitely in a food coma right now.
Slightly in a food coma. Now we're going to Indonesia's or Bali's famous luwak coffee, which is poop coffee. So I want to show you guys how it's all being made. We're gonna go to a plantation and try some coffee, get some pick-me-up. So we'll see you there.
Have you heard about luwak coffee?
Is the poop?
Exactly.
Okay.
So this is the animal who's made the most expensive shit in the world. Yeah?
Wow.
They are nocturnal, active only at night. You don't have to think about the poo because there is a shell protect the bean, so it's when the bean inside never touch the poo of the animal. So when you drink luwak coffee, you will not drink poo. Yeah, that's really good to know.
Yeah.
The same concept as a chicken egg, which is not from the same way.
And then you just do these by hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One by one by so whatever we make here, only enough selling here. Yeah, and of course, I told you, as a flower.
And she does it with one hand.
Yeah, because when you feel tired, she can change into
Baby, you want to try it? It's hard, huh? Good job. That was good.
Thank you for this. After pounding, it's 2 weeks to get ready to fine powder. So the cost powder, we should pounding back. And this is ready to drink. We just put hot water in it.
Oh.
This is the luwak coffee. Wow. Smell is different. Yeah. Well, still strong in taste, but not as bitter as normal coffee because less in caffeine because of the fermentation. Well, 1 cup of luwak coffee, the caffeine contain 1.9%. The regular coffee almost 10% caffeine.
Oh.
When the people not used to drink coffee, the heart will run very fast, hand shaking,
Yeah.
couldn't sleep in the night, but not for luwak coffee.
Hey, you were a good coffee maker.
Thank you. I smashed some shit.
Okay, Made is holding the cup of the luwak coffee, which is the main event. So she's about to have her first luwak coffee.
What?
What?
It's like coffee, but it's not as like bitter ending. It doesn't have like the bitter aftertaste. Is that right? Is that like valid?
Yeah, valid.
Right?
Yeah.
It's good.
Alright guys, we are concluding the tour today / our day in Ubud. It's been a really fun day seeing a lot of different places. I think we're exhausted, but a day well spent for sure. Let us know in the comment if you plan to make it out here soon. Maybe we'll meet you there. Anything else, Sue? Takeaways?
It was a really fun day. It's just extremely hot. I think also because I'm not used to this, and my hair isn't used to the humidity, so it's just all over the place. But we're staying hydrated, doing the best we can. But
stay hydrated and try to wear light colors. Because you are going to sweat a lot. So, some pro tips, though small, but you'll thank us later. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.